we are gonna do another question, which is find the value of 100 joules in a system based on centimeter, kilogram, and minute as fundamental units. So right here in MKS system and our new system, this new system is not a recognized system, so we are going to call it new system. So in the MKS system, mass will be represented by a kg, length will be represented by a meter, and time will be represented by a second. Similarly, our n1 is 100. Right here in the new system, we have the dimension, sorry, in the mass will be represented by a kilogram, the length will be represented by a centimeter, time will be represented by a minute, and n2 is the number that we have to find. So right over here, since the given quantity is work or energy, so the dimension of work is ml squared t minus 2, which if it is equal to m to the power e, l to the power b, t to the power c, so we are just comparing them. We have a must be equal to 1, b must be equal to 2, and c must be equal to minus 2. I think that's pretty simple, and we have the formula, which is n. So let's write from here. N2 must equal n1, m1 by m2 raised to the power of a, l1 by l2 raised to the power of b, t1 by t2 raised to the power of c. Let's add the brackets. They are supposed to be square brackets, but don't mind the round brackets. They're not perfectly square, they're not perfectly round, so don't mind them. So let's put the second one, and finally the third one. So let's add the value that we know that we must add right over here. So our n1 is going to be 100, pretty simple. M1 is a kg, M2 is also a kg, it is raised to a power of 1. L1 is a meter, L2 is a centimeter raised to a power of squared, raised to a power of 2, sorry, and time is measured in second, which is, and in the next new system it is measured in a minute, so it's per it is raised to a power of minus 2. So here we can cancel the kilograms, so we have 1 by 1, which will be 1 to the power 1 will be 1, so 100 into 1 is also 1, so I can just write 100 times 1 meter is 100 centimeter divided by 1 centimeter raised to a power of 2. 1 second is 1 second, 1 minute is actually 60 seconds raised to a power of minus 2. So now if we do the calculations, so first of all let's cancel the units. You will have to do 100 times 100 squared into 60 squared, since 1 by 60 raised to the power of minus 2 is just 60 squared, so you would get 3.6 into 10 to the power 9. So hence we can say that our 100 joules must be equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 9 new units. So with this we have ended today's video. In the next video we are gonna do another question. Till then, bye.